Hey professor, here's my demo for lab 11. I think I got it all the way correct. I have 8 LEDs or 8 switches tied to 8 LEDs. And then I have all my modules here. I was going to work with a button, but I ended up working with the switch and just deciding it to simulate it with a slow clock generator. So I just turn on the clock and then I enabled the switch to bouncer. And so then it'll output each bit one at a time from there. The bouncer, pretty basic. Slow clock, it's exactly what you gave us, so also pretty basic. The shift register is based off of the code that you gave us in the PowerPoint. I have my parity check, which is based off of the More Machine image that you gave us, as well as the code that you provided us, I think, last week. And then I have a counter here. So currently I have it set up already. So this switch right here is my clock reset. And so as you can see, it's tied to it. So it keeps counting every second while this is down, because if I enable it, then it'll enable the reset. This second switch right here is my enable for the pattern recognition. So currently, I think it just reset. So we'll see it'll stay on 1, that's 2, 3, and then it should go off. There we go. And then it'll come back on. So that's how the pattern check works. And so that's how I have it set up so that it's displaying on the third LED. And we can see that here I have my reset switch. And then I just labeled this reset because that's what it was in my XDC file already. But that is acting as my, let's see. Yeah, right here. It's acting as my switch in enable for my switch to bouncer. And then other than that, I have my 8 switches. I have my parity LED as well as my serial output. So my serial output is going to the third LED. My parity, what I've called parity LED, is acting as my clock counter. And then I have my other LEDs that correspond with my switches. And then, yeah, I don't know. I have my clock up here. So there you go. That's my demo.